It's no secret that customers want to be comfortable while shopping. Studies show that the longer shoppers remain in a store, the more likely they are to spend money. For this reason, the air conditioning system of a shopping mall must be able to create a pleasant indoor temperature while keeping energy use low. LG HVAC solution is the answer to this problem. Atriums act as public meeting spaces in shopping malls and often gather large crowds. It is challenging to regulate pleasant airflow within these big and open areas. LG's advanced computational fluid dynamics analysis help architects maximize indoor airflow and temperature distribution. Through this analysis, LG's chiller enables efficient ventilation and extensive wide-area cooling with air handling unit providing bigger comfort to guests. In retail spaces that prioritize certain interior design themes, ducts can be installed to minimize pipe exposure. Since these stores have a different number of visitors, LG Multi-V can control each shop's air volume individually to reduce operational costs and provide comfort cooling. Cafeterias are often plagued by lingering food odors and a large number of people constantly moving in and out. This means that additional indoor units are often required to meet climate control needs. While cooking raises air pollution levels in kitchens, fresh outside air through AHU is pumped in to provide a pleasant environment for customers and restaurant staff. Furthermore, by using LG AHU's CO2 sensor, the system can supply fresh outdoor air when the CO2 concentration is high. In large, diverse spaces like shopping malls, managers must take system control and its energy efficiency into account. LG's central control system provides a variety of solutions. The peak wattage function limits peak energy usage by controlling indoor units. Through energy management, you can monitor all operational details and power consumption. Visual navigation shows current operation status on floor plan at one view. Control can be easily accessible via smartphone for your convenience too. Even when sites feature a pre-existing BMS installed by another company, backup central control is available through self-ACM, enhancing convenience for mall managers. Another benefit of the integrated control system is that individual energy billing to store owners is possible, thanks to the power distribution indicator. LG is a total HVAC company which provides optimum solution that matches each space's needs from central to independent air conditioning. These solutions can be applied to various commercial complexes such as big department stores, multi-purpose buildings, and outlets. LG's commitment to world-class quality and innovative technology is the reason why commercial complexes choose LG's Multi-V and chiller systems. Proven in many of the world's prominent shopping malls, we're a total HVAC and energy solution company, providing a full lineup of products to suit your needs. Work with the specialists that have answers to all of your shopping mall needs.